Hi, I'm Mark with Fluke Networks. With the retirement of the Cable IQ qualification tester, you might want to check out the Link IQ Cable Plus Network Tester. Here are the key differences between these two products. The most noticeable difference is the display. This Link IQ is easier to read and understand. And if you want to enter names or identifiers, there's really no comparison. Another thing you'll notice is that there's no coaxial connector in the Link IQ. If you need coaxial testing, check out our microscanner too. Both of these units can qualify the performance of installed cabling, but while the Cable IQ supports speeds only up to 1 gig, the Link IQ supports newer speeds, all the way to 10 gig. Both can detect an Ethernet port. The Link IQ can also show you the switch name and address, along with the port and VLAN number. The Link IQ also offers network testing with DHCP configuration and IP ping. The Link IQ is Ethernet Alliance certified for testing all IEEE compatible versions of Power over Ethernet. It displays the class and amount of power and also places a load on the circuit to ensure the power is really there. Finally, both offer reporting. The Cable IQ with a proprietary package, the Link IQ using our Linkware PC platform, which supports our certification testers and is used by tens of thousands worldwide. These are the key advantages the Link IQ brings. For more information, follow the link below.